Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to talk about the new Xiaomi Mi Band 4. So here we have the Mi Band 3 and the Hey Plus, and now in June 11th the Mi Band 4 will be launched. So the Mi Band 4 it's expecting to be a little more expensive than the Mi Band 3, smarter than Mi Band 3 obviously, and some speculation and leaks said that the Mi Band 4 will be with colorful display, OLED display, which is the first time in Mi Bands. It will have the NFC and a little more large battery, so it has a battery around 135 milliamp hours. There are also speculations that it will cost $72 for the NFC variant, while the standard variant will be priced around $43. So with NFC option will be a lot less expensive. We are waiting for the Mi Band 4 launch, and these are some of the speculation and some of the leaks that are from Xiaomi. We will update you guys as soon as something will come to us. This was all. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe our channel, turn the notification on, and see you in the next video.